Good morning, Sipho. Morning. Good morning. How was your night? Lala kanjani na? Hmm? Kade uvukile, Mama. Mama, can I have a hug? A hug. Mwah. Red. Red uvuka. Ready. Are you ready, Siphosethu? Are you ready, Sipho? Let's exchange ke ngoba ngathi kuyabananyana. Khona sokwenza breakfast. Let's exchange, Mama. You ready? Ready. Ready for breakfast, Manu? Okay. Singena esihlalweni ke. You look ready. Singena esihlalweni. So we're gonna do the medication, and this is what she takes now. Kwenzenjani, Mama? Yes, manje. Let me just do this. This is yours. So she takes a baclofen, which helps with her muscles, so she's not stiff. So I'm just gonna give her one, and then just this vitamin supplements for her bones. Yep. Then we'll go have breakfast. I'll use juice to like dissolve the peel, and then this one she just choose. It's like a sweet. Sharp. Hey, mommy. Limbeni philisi. Ena. Ngizwa mama. Good suppose. Huh? There's only one left now. Pelile pay. Pay here. Is it pay? Pelile. We need more. Some seconds breakfast. No. Olende breakfast. You're ready. Asam sotla ke. Guys, I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. I feel like I want to get back to bed or something. But I thought since ilanga liphumile, Sipho can do with getting ilanganyana. So we're not gonna really go outside. We're just going to walk around inside the place. Hey, Shippo. Guys, I don't know what to do with her hair. I don't know if you can see how it looks in the morning. Until she takes a bath, this is how her hair looks. Yeah. It's a ungayisi ngala. This way. Yeah. And this one. Yeah. Khona ungeke kulimaze masona. Ngiyalizwelana. That's just. Guys, the thing about ilanga is that mawusendlini, you feel like limnandi and you want to go uyohlala kulona, and then masungaphandle you're like, too much. So that's what we're going through. Not supposed to see Ashamash, but it was nice few minutes. It's 10 a.m. you guys, and Sipho has been on the chair since she woke up, which was right after 7. So 10 a.m. it's time for her to relax in bed. I don't know why she's looks like she's not happy with it. Because she wasn't happy on the chair too. She didn't want to be on the chair anymore. So I just wanted to relax a bit. And sometimes during this time we play some music for her, or give her a toy to play with, or her teddy bears to keep her company. But she does well. I've learned, actually, her therapist said, just like everybody, sometimes she needs time by herself. So I used to be like, it was difficult for me to leave her alone, sometimes just in her room alone. But they said that, she is 12 years old, so sometimes she needs just space. As long as you know she's safe, she is content, you can just leave her. So I'm gonna go take a bath, and then, yeah, then our day. But that was our morning today. Thank you for joining our vlog, mini vlog. Okay, we love you. Sipho, you love them? Yeah. You're just not happy. All right, guys.